Hi guys and welcome back. So this is where we're going to now close down section 9. This is the close down video for this section. But first, as always, let's recap before moving on to section 10, where we're going to be looking at morning and daytime routines and how they can affect sleep quality. So in section 9 we looked at getting back to sleep if we woke up through the night. However, we also looked at what not to do if that happened to us. I hope you're now confident that nights of laying awake not being able to get back to sleep are well and truly behind you. We talked about how important it was to get yourself into a positive mindset if you did wake up through the night, and remind yourself where you were, and that you're safe, you're stress-free, and you're snuggled up in your sleeping sanctuary. We also looked at some very effective tools we could utilise to make getting back to sleep far easier and far quicker. Those were deep breathing techniques and some positive affirmations. So as always, review the section with your workbook and then have a go at the assessment. It's very important to check understanding before we move on to the next section. So I'll catch you in section 10. Bye bye for now.